Hey guys, my name is Josh Gettings. I'm going to talk to you today about cystic fibrosis. This video was created as a project for a human inheritance course at Bentley University in the spring of 2018. So cystic fibrosis is the buildup of mucus in the lungs and the pancreas. This buildup causes damages to these organs and therefore results in decreasing functionality of respiratory and digestive systems. You can see on the right side of this slide the difference between a healthy person and an individual with cystic fibrosis. This is a rare disease as only 30,000 people in the United States have it. However, 1 in every 31 people are actually carriers. Looking at the phenotype and genotype of cystic fibrosis, delta F508 accounts for 70% of the mutations that cause cystic fibrosis. However, there are actually over 850 alleles reported that cause this disorder. In addition to these genetic mutations, environmental factors also can play a role in the severity of cystic fibrosis. Regardless, the patients deal with mucus buildup and their body systems suffer as a result. From a pathological perspective, cystic fibrosis is caused by a mutation to the CFR gene on chromosome 7. A 3-base pair mutation eliminates amino acid number 508 from the protein, causing it to misfold. This amino acid is eliminated and no other amino acids are impacted because there is no frame shift as 3 bases were removed. However, this makes the channel impermeable to chloride ions. Now that the chloride ions cannot pass through, mucus starts to build up, as you can see on the right. Cystic fibrosis is inherited as a recessive mode of inheritance, meaning both parents need to pass on a mutated gene for the child to have the disorder. Individuals that are just carriers of cystic fibrosis have just one mutated copy of the gene, and this is true only for disorders that are recessive. Only disorders that are a recessive mode of inheritance can have a carrier, as in the case of cystic fibrosis. This is a significant disorder because cystic fibrosis is a progressive disease that is life-shortening. Patients experience consistently decreasing functionality as they get older. One business that is working to assist these patients is known as the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. This foundation has established guides and other resources to help individuals with cystic fibrosis to live their best life. From a cultural standpoint, individuals with cystic fibrosis actually cannot meet with other cystic fibrosis patients. This is due to a certain bacteria that patients carry that causes a severe infection if they come in contact with one another. The only way that they can meet and talk to each other is virtually, either online through webcams or through messaging. This is unfortunately on top of the other numerous day-to-day challenges that are faced by these patients. These are the references that I use, and thank you guys for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed my video. Thank you.